बड़े दिनों के बाद gap down. So looks like market is going to heavily gap down. Let's understand what are the key levels from which I will trade on this fine Wednesday morning. So if we see where the market is placed on a end of day basis, yesterday Nifty made a inside bar. So and the key levels for the intraday, let's look at 15-minute chart. Nifty has got excellent support at 25,183. So that is going to be the key level when it caps down, whether 25,183 is going to be held or not. So if let's say cap down around 25,235, then probably it will go to 25,183 and take support there. Otherwise, if it opens way below 25,183, then 25,183 could even act as a strong resistance. Even 25,235 can act as a strong resistance on a cap down. So it is going to be tricky, that what we need to see, we need to navigate when market opens. And on the upside, 25,286 is going to be resistance, and this is where market spent a lot of time yesterday. It continues to be resistance, and from here, if it sustains, then we can see 25,363 and 25,430. On the downside, it is 25,129. 25,129 and 25,043 can be expected if 25,183 is not sustaining. 25,129 will be approximately 106.9 point, which is same as the inside bar target. So the highly possible target that I think today will come is 25,132. So this is the area that we expect market to be. So any kind of weakness, I would like to sell on a pullback for this. Or if 25,183 holds and it makes a support here, then I would like to trade long for 25,364. So that's my plan. I'm open to both sides. Let's see how it goes. Have a great trading day and trade safe and trade well. Bye bye.